Good morning, San Francisco.
Good morning!
I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your Monday morning market update.
Starting in the condo market, we are seeing an increase in the listings from last week, which is typical of the season. As of this morning, there are 671 condos on the market, which is the highest level of this year. This is still down about 15% from this time last year, but things are picking up in terms of listings for March. Last March, we had only 572 for sale, but currently we have exceeded this number. This is promising for buyers. With the prices remaining higher than last year, this is good for sellers as well. In the single-family home market, we had another increase in the homes for sale in the $1 to $2 million range, but a decrease in the under $1 million segment. Some of this is because the overall rise in home values and less homes are in that under $1 million category. This is the segment with the most buyers too, driving up the floor pricing of single-family homes into the over $1 million segment. In the $1 to $2 million segment, we saw 51 homes hit the market last week, continuing the upward trend in listing for the past 5 consecutive weeks. That said, these homes are selling very fast, with most homes being sold for 25% above list price after only one weekend of open houses. In the luxury market, there was a notable decrease in listings from 27 to just 17 this week. Days on market was also strong at under 2 weeks in both the $2 to $3 million segment and the above $3 million segment. Additionally, the sale price to the list price of the $2 to $3 million segment remains at 25% above list price, showing just how strong this segment is. Despite the slowdown in a couple segments, overall we are seeing an increase this month over last month in listings. This trend is usual for late winter, and we should see this continue to rise as we head into early spring. Sellers are still outnumbered by buyers, and properly priced and listed marketings don't stay on the market for very long. Lastly, I get frequently asked if now is a good time to buy given the historically high prices. To that, I have one answer: it depends. Historically, if you look back, there has never been a bad time to buy. Even if you bought a month before the market crashed in 2007 and 2006, in almost every case, by now you would have been up almost 50%. Let's say you bought a home for $1 million back in 2006 with 20% down. By now, that $200,000 investment would have made you nearly $500,000. Those who were able to afford to hang on to their homes even through the crash still look back and have seen healthy profits. So when you ask me if now is a good time to buy, the simple is, if you're looking at your home as a long-term buy, yes, it is still a good time. Thank you for joining me for this Monday morning market update. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay informed on the local market conditions. Feel free to message me directly if you are curious about what your home is worth or wonder if buying into this market is the right move for you and your family.